Here we've got simplifying a polynomial expression. So the instructions are very simple. They say simplify. And here's what we got. Something that looks kind of big, but don't get too scared about it because it's not too big a deal. We just got to get rid of the parentheses and then combine like terms. That's really it. That's the bottom line. We distribute the negative sign across any parentheses. This is the biggest area of mistake. Got to be aware. Check this out. Right here. This is a minus the whole parentheses. That's kind of the same thing as a secret invisible 1 here being distributed. So if we draw a negative 1 there and we distribute that, negative 1 has to be multiplied by each and every term inside that parentheses. Then essentially it changes all those signs. So we rewrite it like this. It's going to be plus a positive 5w instead of a negative 5w squared. This plus stays a plus, in everything inside basically changes signs. Now that we have all pluses here, we could just remove the parentheses and combine like terms. So what do we have? We've got a 5w here. Do we have any other w's? Yeah, there's a plus 3w, and here's a minus 1w. Remember, that's a secret invisible 1. So that's what we have right here. We line them up, or combine them in your head. Here we've got a negative 9. That's a constant term, so we just look at the other constants. So a negative 9 and a positive 8 and a positive 6. Those all go together because they're all the same. And then lastly, we've got our 5w squared and a negative 5w squared. So we can combine those, and that gives 0. And we don't write 0 in our answer. When we combine the w's and the constants, we just get 7w plus 5, and that's it. That's our final answer. Here's one more quick example. Same thing to be really cautious about is any minus signs. Now in the last case, in this case, we had a plus and only one minus. But you got to be careful. Sometimes you have more than one minus. And that secret invisible 1 there means that this negative 1 has to be multiplied or distributed by everything inside the following parentheses. So that's why these signs change. This becomes a plus, and all of those become the opposite. Then once again, you just line up the common terms. There's y squareds, there's y's, and there's constant terms. When you combine all those, you get your final answer, and that's it.